Today I'm going to unbox the AsRock 970 Extreme 3 R2.0 AM3 Plus motherboard. Let's have a look inside. So, here you get two SATA cables. One which is it's got a right angle on it, which is brilliant for getting around those tough to reach areas. You get your quick installation guide booklet. You get your software setup guide. Also, what's this? Just an important notice on making sure you mount the motherboard correctly. You get your this is manual, drivers, utilities, the whole lot, right? Just to help you set your motherboard up. A back plate, looks pretty nice. Right, what else is in here? Okay. The motherboard in an anti-static bag. Right, so let's just be very careful with this. Okay, and yes. Right, now I'm not going to, it comes with a nice protective backing. Okay, so on the back here, you get your standard mouse and keyboard if you're old school. USB, I think that's SATA there. Ethernet, loads of sound ports. Here on the board, your AM3 socket. You get 4 DDR3 RAM slots, okay, and here we have 1 and 2 PCIe slots for graphics cards to have crossfire going on, so you can have 2 of them running at the same time. Yep. Okay, now down here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 SATA ports. You have 1, 2 fan. Let me see if there's any more. 3, 4. Well, no, 3 channel fans. You get a power fan. 2. And let me show you 2 CPU fans. Right, I think that's about it. Really, pretty standard stuff, but how cool will that look in your case? Boom.